Welcome fans to another Double Down Showdown unboxing from the Spin Master Monster Jam series. This is my fifth one of the double packs. We have Soldier of Fortune and Soldier of Fortune Black Ops with an unbox. On the back we have High Octane Face Off with the Megalodon and Pirate's Curse 2-pack. Remember, it's the 1/65th scale Spin Master. Up here in the top right hand corner, now it says Monster Jam Authentic Official Licensed Product. Let's go ahead and unbox these two. I got this one at Target. So this is going to be the first look at Soldier of Fortune Black Ops from Spin Master. And if you tuned in to my deluxe Dirt play set by Soldier of Fortune, we get this truck here in it, but it has dirt wheels. But this one doesn't have dirt wheels, as you can tell. So let's go ahead. Review this one first of all. Up close. Very nice graphics of Soldier of Fortune. Here's a front view. There's a driver inside. On the opposite side, Soldier of Fortune. Two very cool trucks. I do kind of miss the gun that they used to have on the trucks, but can't do anything about that now. On the back, there's the lights and Soldier of Fortune on the tailgate. You can see the motor inside. Very cool truck. Now here comes Soldier of Fortune Black Ops. Well, I guess we'll just go on this side. There's the name of the truck. Soldier of Fortune Black Ops. Gotta get real close to see that. There we go, with the Monster Jam logo, the United States flag. A front look. And there is a driver in there. He's not silver. He's black instead. Also down below where they would have the sponsors, that is black also. Black chassis, black sponsor plate. On the tailgate there's the lights, and then also Soldier of Fortune Black Ops. Motor inside is black. As a driver, get a shot of him. Lights and all. So that is the Double Down Showdown 2-pack of the Soldier of Fortune and Soldier of Fortune Black Ops. Thank you for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this review.